What about that one?
Yeah, what about that one? It's like sticking out.
Ready?
Don't drag it through the mud.
It looks fine.
Which one are you talking about? This little one over here?
The one that's on the bottom again.
Yeah, that little one can come off.
This one?
Yeah.
There, that's it. That's all.
Should tell you that
Awesome.
when Dad was picking out a saw,
Okay.
he was like wiping his fingers on all the blades, testing how sharp they were, and then he said, "Ow." So, I guess it was sharp enough.
Drag them on the other side.
Don't drag the tree.
Well, you're gonna. How you gonna pick it up?
Oh,
Wait for the tractor to come back around.
we
We gotta
We
get
don't have
back
that
to the
much time.
building. You're gonna drag it?
Yeah, we gotta get
There's 5 of
Because
us.
this is the nice full side.
Okay, somebody hold the top.
There's 5 of us here.
Oh, it's fine. I can deal with it. Somebody hold that.
I don't want to drag it because like we always drag it through the snow, but this is mud.
God, she's gonna make us carry the tree.
I'm awesome at
You're a
carrying.
fireman, Carrie.
There we go. Somebody's got to direct him because I don't think he can see where he's going. All right, there's only 2 minutes left to this, so
Well, we made it in just enough time.
we got a tree.
Yay! Hey. Take a picture of everybody with it.
We will. Christmas.
Okay.
Steve.
That's it. We got a tree.
All right.